So finally we have reached Ronnie's sex shop. Let's go inside and check it out. What is so sexy about it?
One world, one ride.
Good morning guys, this is the Vishesh, day 6 of the ride, and today we're gonna ride some 500 kilometers. So we're gonna go to the south of tip of Africa, Ronnie's sex shop, which you're gonna see along the way, and yeah, it'll be a good ride.
This is nice. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Allah, अच्छा माइला मस्त है रे. Okay, so we are riding the Route 62. This is a very famous route in South Africa. It's like Route 66 in US, of the US. So, and Ronnie's sex shop is on this route, and we're gonna check that out too. Beautiful weather. The time is 9:35, and we have done 99.2 kilometers so far. We left at 8:30. 1 hour, 100 kilometers not bad.
With a break.
With a break.
The famous Ronnies sex shop. Although it's not actually a sex shop, huh? It's just a restaurant.
ये रहा, ये दिखा ना. So finally we have reached Ronnie's sex shop. Let's go inside and check it out. What is so sexy about it? It's a cafe. तभी देखने में क्या है. हाँ, Indian Adventures. हाँ. Where do we get the stickers, man? I have it. क्या है? Okay, this was a very brilliant experience. Ronnie's sex shop is supposed to be very famous here. Whoever is driving Route 62, they do make sure to drop in at this place and have a cup of coffee. Actually, it was Ronnie's shop, but the Ronnie's friend, I believe, added sex to it, and people started coming over thinking it's a sex shop. But then when they found out it's not a sex shop, it's a coffee bar, so they started hanging their undergarments inside. And now this is how it got famous. So yeah, that's it's kind of funny though. But yeah, bye bye. See you again. I bought a t-shirt for myself. So now next stop is something, say some 100-200 kilometers from here. Let's see, we have already done 148 kilometers. from our last stop, and here we go. अरे अच्छा हो गया रुक गया भाई, मेरा तो आँख ही बंद हो रहा था आज।
होता है
ये कॉफी स्ट्रॉन्ग मारा ना,
हाँ
अरे रॉकेट सिंह हो गया हूँ मैं भी। ऐसा कभी हुआ है ऊपर वाले ने मेरे को गीला नहीं किया? हर एक कंट्री में बॉस, ईच एंड एवरी कंट्री। थोड़ा तो गीला नहीं करेगा तो ऊपर वाले को भी शांति नहीं होता है। भाई ऊपर वाले ने तो मजबूत गिल्ला कर दिया। आ हा 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 हा। अभी सूखने का टाइम।
It will dry up very fast.
हाँ?
It will dry up very fast. The jacket.
टेम्परेचर बहुत ठंडा हो गया।
हाँ
This is our lunch stop for today. The water is green, man.
है ना?
We're going to park right on the harbor. Just don't go in, विपिन को बोलते हैं अंदर नहीं जाने को. This is for the boats to go in.
मालूम पड़ा विपिन ले लिया अंदर सीधा।
Very clear, crystal clear water.
है ना?
We meet again.
Baby Tiken.
So that was a great drive.
ये हमारा दादा,
देवू दादा।
ये हमारा दादा, बंगाली दादा।
अच्छा अच्छा दादा बोला भी बोले बंगाली दादू।
बालो है जो दादू
दादू मीन
ग्रैंड पापा।
ग्रैंडफादर।
दादा बोले तो दादू बोले नहीं। So we have stopped here for lunch, and now that we are near the sea, I think it will be fish and chips. Fish and chips. Yeah, fish. समुद्र के बाजू में फिश एंड चिप्स ही होता है रे।
Crab, you want crab?
Not my reality. That's your opinion, not my reality. So we just finished our lunch. What a beautiful view here. And from here we're gonna go to the southernmost point. I had fish and chips. Nice fish without bones. अच्छा है.
See the beautiful sea on the side.
या अरे बिलू बिलू है बे, लई भारी। ए दादा, देखो तो
क्या कलर है यार.
ये तो इंडियन ओशन होच्छे तो.
हाँ, and when the Indian Ocean starts, see the color of it.
Very nice. See the color of it.
So now we are going to the point where it meets the Atlantic.
Yeah.
तो अपन इधर से तीरेगा तो इंडिया पहुंच जाएंगे यूं.
हाँ, कभी ना कभी तो पहुंच ही जाए.
उतना देर तक क्या आधे में मर जाएंगे, आधा क्या 10 किलोमीटर में टपक जाएंगे अपन. नहीं अगर बोट लगे गए हैया हूँ करके.
Need a big boat, yeah, rough sea.
Obviously.
Unbelievable.
वो मेरे को लगता है लाइट हाउस है ना उधर.
हाँ, उधर ही जा रहे होंगे.
वाह वो टिप है.
Yeah. I would love to be on a seafront house like this.
चल खरीदते हैं क्या?
Yeah.
ऐसा बाद में फाउंटेन भी लगाते हैं साहब.
Just stunning, man. What a beautiful place to stay. This is the southernmost town of Africa.
Hey, Dada, record করছিস?
I am also recording.
So this is on way to the southernmost tip of African continent.
So that lighthouse denotes the southernmost tip.
Not yet.
Not yet? नहीं रे, यही चले.
Wait. Now we are going in.
Off-roading?
Yep.
चलो डालो off-road में. चल.
डाल दिया.
तो वाकई में इधर देखी जा रही है देख. वो बाद में बोला ना लाइट हाउस में आके इधर लाइट हाउस में आओ और
Stamp करो.
स्टैम्प करो.
Aila,
क्या?
off-roading right to the end. Huh?
हाँ ये देखना सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ अफ्रीका.
Okay, guys, so Ride for Lions pretty much started here in Cape Town, and then we went over the Overberg area, down the eastern part of the Western Cape, into the Eastern Cape, where a couple of guys did the bungee jump. That would be on the shoreline here, Titicama area, and then we went up to the Adio area over here for the guide drives, and then we came back through the Karoo area, through the mountains, and now we're back here, Cape Magalas, southernmost tip of Africa. Tomorrow we're heading back down to the Cape Town group.
Okay. Thank you so much.
This is where Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and हमारे मामू लोग इधर खड़े. So you go to the lighthouse and get your passport stamped. My passport stamp वैसे ही इधर आया था इसके लिए. So just a memento thingy that we stamped it in Ecuador also. There are a lot of historic places where you are allowed to put a stamp on your passport. I have not done it in Ecuador, and इधर आया तो कर लेता हूँ मैं. Let's check it out.
You see, that's not gonna fit because it's big.
Okay. So now we start
See,
here.
it's supposed to be so it looks like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ha! Perfect.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. So this was the lighthouse where we stamped our passports, and from here we're gonna leave straight to the hotel. Hotel is around 150 kilometers, and it is getting hotter. All the boys are getting ready, and look at Vipin doing masti with the bike. He has to go on the bike. So we're gonna see you in the hotel.
Hey, Bo.
Oh!
हाँ.
ये ऐसा गोल गोल घुमाते घुमाते मेरे को लग रहा था कि नहीं आप मेरे पे घुस ना जाए. ऐसा टाव 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 करके टर्न बराबर नहीं लगा उसका ढिचका घुस गया मेरे पे.
No, he was taking like that wedding का 7 फेरा.
हाँ.
He was taking 8 फेरा.
हाँ 8 फेरा 8 मारा था. 8 मारा था. भाई लेकिन कुछ भी बोल, इधर के घर बड़े मस्त है यार।
हाँ
घर बड़े देखना यार, क्या प्यारे प्यारे घर है यार। है देख है
सारा सुपर क्लेanलीनेस, सुपर प्लेस, वेल मेंटेन्ड, क्लास है।
इधर ये भी है।
ये जिप्सी जिप्सी जिप्सी।
हाँ रे मारुति जिप्सी, वाह 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 वाह।
नो इट्स सुजुकी।
हाँ तो सुजुकी है। हाँ तो वही हुआ ना रे सुजुकी।
Yeah, but it was not a gypsy gypsy. It was slightly shorter than the gypsy cat. ये बोलेरो है ये ना?
है बोलेरो कौन सा? हाँ
बोलेरो क्या है यो?
बोलेरो नहीं बे,
कौन सा है वो जो भी है?
स्कॉर्पियो स्कॉर्पियो।
हाँ स्कॉर्पियो सॉरी।
ये अपना महिंद्रा स्कॉर्पियो।
हाँ
अरे वाह वाह, भारत माता की जय।
अरे एंड्यूरो अच्छा थोड़ा सा आगे है ना रफ पैच?
नहीं नहीं, अभी रोड पे आ जा।
I to put it on road.
हाँ जो एंड्यूरो का उधर ही था जो यार, लेकिन कसम से बहुत प्यारा है।
Beautiful location.
आई नो।
Nice color.
बंगले तो बड़े मस्त है यार।
Even if they are not grand, they are so well kept.
Well, हाँ वो cute it is.
Like paint is done properly, work is done properly.
Hey Baba, there is no corrosive element in the rain or in the air to.
I know, because algae and that moss doesn't collect only, no? Because
अच्छा एक बात बता, यार corrosive element क्यों नहीं है?
Because the rain
industry कहाँ है इतना बड़ा यहाँ पे आसपास?
Plus rain is not heavy, na, so you don't have algae and moss जो अपने दीवार पे होते हैं ना green and black. वो नहीं होता है ना यहाँ पे. As is because of humidity that thing happens, na?
Because the entire rainy season the thing stays like damp all the time. ना?
और green हो जाता है ना?
यहाँ पे the sun must be killing it all off, ना? The sun is there, is very bright.
Okay, so we have reached the hotel. Nice view. Thank you, Kazu.
Thank you.
And it was a great ride. Tomorrow we're gonna go shark diving. And
Early morning.
Early morning. Maybe.
They in that sea, deep sea there. If you can
See
see
that?
that sea. Right there.
Okay, that's sea. Seriously?
Yeah, deep sea. 1 hour inside the sea. And that's where Devu is going to dive with the great white sharks. The only place where you have the best view of the great white sharks in around this entire Indian Ocean region.
Okay, I'm gonna carry the GoPro 7.
Yes.
In case.
And he has insurance.
And if I get beaten also, you can see it live. Anyways, to all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed and love you all, and Jai Hind.
One world, one ride.